Hi Nature Trackers, I'm Tracker Tom.
I'm Explorer Ezra. I'm Thea.
We recently went to the seaside and we found this treasure chest. We've got a key, so we're going to open it up.
Yeah.
Do you want to join us for another toy review?
It's time for a Prehistoric Toy review. What?
Okay, let's open this up with the key. Oh, it fits. It turns and we're open. Whoa! What have we got in there?
Spiderman LEGO.
So we've got Lego Spiderman. He looks cool. Look at that.
LEGO. Hot Wheels.
Oh, that looks like a car park rally. What have you got, Thea?
What's Thea?
Thea has got stretchy putty slime. That looks awesome.
What's gun?
And we've got a Fortnite water gun. Look at that.
Dinosaurs.
And a tub of dinosaurs. Wow.
And another Fortnite pistol.
Okay, let's put this all on here. Okay, let's have a look at some of these toys that we got.
Can you
So, let's start with the Lego.
I can fix Spiderman.
Okay, so we've got Spider-Man.
I can fix Spiderman, but I cannot fix the big robot guy.
Okay, big robot guy and Spider-Man. Is Spider-Man your favourite superhero, Explorer Ezra?
Yeah.
He's pretty cool. I like the Hulk myself. Who do you like, Nature Tracker Thea?
Putty.
Oh, you like Putty. I didn't know Putty was a superhero, but that is fine. So whilst Explorer Ezra is building the Lego over there, we're going to have a look at this slime DIY set.
Can you open this up? Can you open Putty?
Yeah, I'll open the Putty for you.
I can see Spidey in.
Okay, let's have a look at that. Right, now we don't want to lose the pieces.
Can you fix the giant robot?
So we've got lots and lots of little pieces. But I'm going to let Explorer Ezra have a go first, see what he thinks. I'm going to rip this box open so we can put it in there and not lose any pieces. Really good idea.
Yeah. Look, we got Spidey.
Oh, that is awesome. Okay.
I'm not sure I can fix this.
Right, well I'll help Explorer Ezra build that. Over here we've also got some slime shakers, these are called. So, oh look, they're in nice little cups there, so it looks like we've got milk. We've got popcorn, and that one looks like hot chocolate. Okay, so in my one I've got some little swirls.
I got some beads.
And some powder there. So we need to look at the instructions and how to do these.
Got beads and I can't open mine. And I got powder.
Wow.
And I got
instructions there.
Mine.
Good job, Nature Tracker Thea. This looks like popcorn. So if we put that there, we'll find out how we can do this and then we'll show you.
Spidey!
Hi Nature Trackers. So we've managed to build Spider-Man and his big mech man. He's got lots of webs. It did take a bit of time and I had to put my glasses on so I could see. But he's very, very cool. Do you like him, Explorer Ezra?
Yeah, he's the best toy in the world.
Best toy in the world. And Nature Tracker Thea, what have you got? What do you want to do?
Putty.
Putty. Okay, so we've got these three. Got your car stuck.
Yeah.
We've got these three pots, don't we? And you do need a bit of water with this, so we've got some water. It does take about 5 minutes, so we're going to have to set a timer and see what happens. We'll put them to one side, but we'll set it up. First thing that you do is you get the powder.
I'm going to do that.
And then you open it up, and we put the powder into the packet. You ready? Right, so we'll be very careful so we're not messy. Oh, it smells like popcorn. Do you smell that? Whoa!
Yeah.
Do you smell that?
Smells great.
It does smell great. But once we've got the powder in the pot, you can see it in there. You need to make sure it's leveled off.
Look, he's in
here.
Spot.
And then we need to bit.
Here now.
He is in there. we need to put a bit of water in. So there's a line in there and you pour the water in up to the line. Are you ready? Yeah? Oh, making a bit of a mess. Okay. So we've put that in. This time you want to get the lids and you want to make sure the lid is secured down. And now we're going to shake it. Whoa! And you shake for about 30 seconds.
What?
Just to mix everything up.
Can you shake? Can you shake a bit? Whoa! Keep shaking, keep shaking. Are you shaking like track there? Shake, 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 shake. Shake it all up. For about 30 seconds and you can hear that it's not sloshing around anymore. Whoa! So we're shaking, shaking, shaking.
And then after about 30 seconds you have to open the lid up and let the air get to it. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're going to open it up and we're just going to put that to one side.
That's fine.
You ready? So I'll pour that in there.
I'll help you.
Thank you.
No, I go.
And then we'll
I can smell it.
give it a smell in a minute. So all of the powder's in there. You smell that?
It
Smells like strawberry milkshake. I'm going to pour some water in. Right up to the line. Let's see if it's there. You can add a bit more water if you want it to be a bit softer. So next thing, we put the lid on. And what do we do next, Thea?
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it. We then open it and we put it to one side.
Like the popcorn.
So we've got the last one, which is hot chocolate. Are you excited for this one?
I can help.
Thank you, Nature Track Thea. What does that smell like?
Chocolate.
Does smell like chocolate to me.
Chocolate.
Thea, what do we do next?
Water.
Water. Let's go. All the way up to the line.
Shaky, shaky.
Put the lid on. Here we go. Let's open it up and see. Whoa. Okay, we're going to leave that open as well. So it's been 5 minutes. Shall we have a look at what this slime looks like?
Yeah.
So this one is the strawberry milk. Can you smell it? Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
This is.
Oh, that is so slimy. Ugh.
You're gonna put.
Oh, yucky.
Yucky. Oh.
That is cool slime. Oh, this is really slimy. Oh, it's all everywhere. It's everywhere. Okay.
Is this for hot chocolate?
Ah, you made it fart.
Can I?
Oh,
Can I?
you wait.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll make the popcorn fart because I.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
That is slimy.
Slimy. I do not like this.
Okay. So that was really slimy, wasn't it?
Oh.
The next toy we're going to open, what one is it, Explore Ezra? Right, so we've got a car garage. Shall we break this open? Let's have a look.
So what do we do
So
with it?
this one is a big wheel. And it comes, it's quite cool because it's very neat. So you can pack it away. Let's have a look. So we built this up. It's really cool. So it's got a working lift over here. So your car can drive in.
And now
You can drive in.
you can go.
And then it goes up.
You can go.
And then you ready?
Yeah, go.
It goes all the way around. So you ready? Nature Track Fair, here we go. Whoa, whoa!
You're running away.
It crashed off the edge.
Get behind me. I got backwards. Now I'm doing it like
So what have we got next, Nature Tracker Thea?
this.
Oh, I'm excited about this one.
Dinosaurs in the tub.
We got dinosaurs in the tub. Whoa, should we open this up?
I can tell you what they are.
Whoa, look at all the dinosaurs we got.
I can tell you. I can tell you what they are. Not.
So there's over 50 pieces in this tub.
I can
So
tell
you can
what
make your own Jurassic World.
I can tell you what they are.
So what have we got in there?
So we got a rock,
What's that, Nature Tracker Thea?
a volcano.
A volcano.
We got the Dongosaurus.
Who's that one?
Stegosaurus. Look at the Sea Dongosaurus.
Wow. And we got lots of trees and rocks.
Got a big Troodon.
Baby Stegosaurus.
Troodon.
Who's that?
T-Rex.
How many fingers does he have?
2.
So we made ourselves a dinosaur world, and there's so much that you get in that tub.
A Stegosaur.
And the Stegosaur is demolishing everything. Oh no! Oh no! It's smashing it all.
Sea Dongosaurus.
Should we see what we got next? So we've also got these water pistols.
And water pistols. Water pistols.
Water pistols. Should we go and have a go and see what they're like?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go and spray each other. Come on.
Hey.
So we've got our water pistols. Let's go.
Hold it like this.
Oh no, there's chickens free. Ah. Okay. I'm dodging you. I had lots of fun today, did you?
Yeah, these are fun toys.
Yeah, we had loads of fun opening these toys, and I hope you did.
Yeah.
What was your favourite?
I like Spiderman, the dinosaurs, the car, the guns, and the slime.
So you liked it all. What was your favourite Nature Tracker, Thea?
Slime.
Slime, yeah. And I don't know what your favourite was, Nature Trackers, but maybe you can give us a share, or you could subscribe so you could see us again for more videos.
Or you like Spider-Man.
Or you like Spider-Man. Well, I hope you do join us for
Or you
another
like-
video soon.
Yeah.
See you later. Bye. Bye.